In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create amazing text effects in Canva in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and unleash your creativity. First things first, you'll need to open Canva. If you don't already have an account, it's easy and free to sign up. Canva is a user-friendly design tool that you can access straight from your web browser. Once you're logged in, it's time to create a new design. You can choose the dimensions that best fit your project, whether it's for a social media post, a flyer, or even a presentation. The key here is to have a blank space where you can start bringing your ideas to life. Next, navigate to the text panel on the left side of your screen and add a heading. This is where the magic begins. Think of a catchy phrase or title that you want to emphasize. Once you've got your text, the next step is selecting it. Click on the text box to ensure that it's highlighted. This way, you'll be able to apply the subsequent changes precisely. Now that your text is selected, you're going to click on the Effects option located in the top toolbar. This feature is what makes text stand out in Canva by adding amazing visual enhancements. Here, you'll find a variety of options to elevate your text, everything from shadows and outlines to neon glows and more. Take your time to explore and choose the effect that best complements your overall design theme. This is your chance to experiment, so feel free to try out different looks. For a more dynamic result, you'll want to apply an additional step, duplicating your text. Simply copy and paste the text box, or use the duplicate option to make an exact copy. With this duplicate, we're going to create a layered effect, adding depth to your text design. Now, take the bottom layer of your text, the one that's going to act as a shadow or depth layer, and change its color. Go bold with a contrasting shade or subtle with a darker tone of your initial text. Whatever suits your taste and fits the design intention. Finally, slightly offset this bottom layer either down or right. This small adjustment will create a three-dimensional effect, making your text pop with a stylish and modern touch. The key is to be subtle. A few pixels will go a long way in enhancing the sophisticated look of your text without overwhelming the viewer. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've transformed a plain text element into an eye-catching focal point of your design. Don't forget to experiment with different combinations of colors and effects to find what works best for your specific project. Canva offers endless possibilities, so let your creativity flow. Thanks for watching and happy designing.